Have you ever wondered why Moroccan tea has become such a symbol of hospitality and friendship in North Africa? Well, the answer lies in a rich tapestry of history, culture, and tradition. The story of Moroccan tea, or as the locals call it, Atai, begins in the 19th century. It was during this time that British merchants, unable to sell their green tea to the Russians due to the Crimean War, turned their sights to Morocco. The Moroccan people, known for their love of unique flavors and exotic spices, embraced this new introduction with open arms. Soon tea became a staple in Moroccan households, and its preparation evolved into an art form. Preparation of Moroccan tea is a ceremony, a ritual that speaks volumes about the Moroccan way of life. The tea leaves, usually Chinese gunpowder green tea, are first rinsed in boiling water. This step, called awakening the tea, is integral to the process. The leaves are then boiled once more, this time with mint and sugar. The mixture is allowed to steep, infusing the air with a scent that's both invigorating and comforting. The tea is then poured from a height into small glasses, creating a frothy top, a sign of a well-prepared tea. But Moroccan tea is not just about the taste, it's about the experience. It's about the conversation that ensues over a glass of tea, the bonds that form, the friendships that solidify. It's about the feeling of warmth that permeates the room as the tea is served. It's about the sense of community and togetherness that the tea fosters. It's about the tradition that has been passed down through generations, a tradition that has become an integral part of Moroccan identity. Moroccan tea isn't just a drink, it's a symbol of Moroccan hospitality, of friendship, of unity. It's a testament to the Moroccan people's love for life, for each other, and for their culture. So, the next time you're in search of a unique experience, consider trying a cup of Moroccan tea. Or better yet, consider visiting Morocco. Immerse yourself in the culture, participate in the tea ceremony, and let the taste of Moroccan tea transport you to a world of warmth, friendship, and tradition. Remember, Moroccan tea isn't just a drink, it's an experience. It's a journey. And it's a journey that's waiting for you to embark on. So open your mind, open your heart, and let the taste of Moroccan tea guide you through the rich tapestry of Moroccan culture and tradition. You won't regret it. Now, let's take a moment to picture a typical Moroccan tea time. Picture this, an intimate setting, a group of Moroccan people gathered around a table, the air filled with the aroma of mint and gunpowder green tea. Hear the gentle pouring of the tea, the soft clinking of the ornate glasses as they are passed around. Feel the warmth of the drink seeping through the glass, warming your hands, your heart. Listen to the laughter, the animated conversation, the sense of community that pervades the room. This, my friends, is the true essence of Moroccan tea time. This is where the magic happens, where the bonds of friendship are reinforced, and where the spirit of Moroccan culture truly comes alive.